Hey everyone, it's time for another beer money review, and as I mentioned in a recent video, I am aware that the winner of the poll is Just Play, and I will do Just Play. It's just gaming apps in general. I just do not have the time yet to properly review them, and we all know how well I did with that Cashwalk review when I tried to rush it. So today I'm going to do a 2-for-1 review on some interesting, high-paying, obscure survey sites that actually do pay pretty well, believe it or not. We're going to start with the first one here, an app called PaidViewpoint. PaidViewpoint was created in 2009 by PaidViewpoint Surveys, so these guys have been around for quite a while. They are a no-frill survey site and not much more, but they do offer fairly high-paying surveys, and especially their screeners for those that want to use their services, and it starts literally on registration. When you register, you're asked information, and the more information you give, the more money you earn, up to $1.15 for said registration. Questions will range from your email to demographics to your address and city. Now, I don't fully recommend giving away that much information, as some slightly more sensitive information is required to get the full amount. But since I'm planning to do some product testing down the road with this when I add it to my beer money portfolio, I did provide mine, so yeah. There's a 4-cent bonus for giving out your address. Now, another thing you will notice is something called trait surveys. You'll get around 3 to 5 of these to start, and then afterward about 1 to 2 of them a day. And it will pop up right here in the notification. It'll say how many surveys are waiting. You just click on them, and then we just do a screening. So this is one of the screening surveys. You see here the questions. I'm going to go ahead and do the screening survey and get back to you. So you see here, once I complete the survey and I don't meet any of the screening questions needed to do an additional survey, I will see an increase of 10 cents in my earnings for completing that screening survey, as well as an increase in my trait score. So completing these trait surveys will increase your trait score, and think of that as like your reputation, and with a higher trait score, you're eligible for more surveys and higher paying ones. The trait score does max out at 10,000, and at 9,000, they give you an unknown bonus for any surveys that you do that are not screening surveys. But again, 10 cents for a screening survey is also really good if you've ever done surveys on SaySo or SurveyMonkey, CPX Research, BitLabs. You know that a lot of times you won't get any money for a survey. So yeah, 10 cents is actually pretty generous in comparison. The only cash out option they have is PayPal. And as you see here with the earnings, you need $15 to cash out. Now, I do have one big piece of advice, just letting you know. Make sure you spell your PayPal email correctly upon signing up. If you ever change your PayPal name, they will have you choose one of 2 restrictions to your account. Either you cannot get paid at all for the next 180 days, or you must zero out your account. So it's very important you get your information down correctly, or you won't be getting anything for a while. They also pay fairly well with referrals. If I go over here to friends, here's friends. They do pay pretty well with referrals, as you get 20% of all rewards once a member cashes out. And they have a program called a VIP Community Builder, where you can get 20% without cashing out, but that requires 100 referrals to do so. So the pros and cons of this PaidViewpoint. The pros, they got the highest paid screening surveys that I've seen. And if you screen out, I mean, 10 cents is still way better than like none or 1 cent, which you get from other places like Swagbucks or Cointoply. Loaded with these screen trait surveys as well, you get at least 1 or 2 a day that you get to use. So that's like 10, 20 cents just for a few minutes of your time, which isn't too bad at all, at minimum. You also get a registration bonus upon signing up, and the registration bonus is also fairly generous at $1.15. And I do kind of like that it's based on how much information that you're giving. It shows that they do kind of value data in a way, and the referral pay is really good. However, the cons, the PayPal email restrictions are just insane to me. Basically, you have to either give up your current earnings that you have stored with them, or you have to wait 6 months before you're allowed to get any payment whatsoever. And a lot of these surveys are extremely difficult to get into. The screeners, yeah, they tend to be very strict on which survey you can actually get into. The final rating I'm going to say is yellow plus. It's promising, but you don't really make enough that I could give it a straight green tier, but I definitely give it yellow plus, and it's a good supplement to anyone's beer money portfolio. Now, if you don't have a laptop computer or a tablet to use PaidViewpoint, you can always try out a mobile app, and here's one. I got OneQ here. So OneQ is a market research platform that combines simplicity with transparency, or so they say on their website. So simple, in fact, this review is going to probably be the shortest review I will do for a beer money app. OneQ gives you surveys. Upon signing up, you simply allow your phone to turn on notifications and wait for the OneQ symbol at the top left. When you do, get to OneQ as fast as you can and finish the survey, basically. You receive 25 cents for every question. Now, they used to only do one question surveys in the past, but recently they have done longer surveys, but it's still 25 cents a question. I just did a Pepsi survey last month. I think it was right here, the third one down here, that was 13 questions long, but they paid me $3.25 directly to my PayPal. Yep, directly to my PayPal. They don't have a balance here, they just pay you straight to PayPal, just as soon as you finish the survey. The only issue I have with these surveys is, one, they get gobbled up pretty quick. If you're not there within about 5 minutes, you're not getting that survey done. And two, the lack of frequency of surveys. It could be weeks before you get another one. Matter of fact, the last time I've had a OneQ notification at all has been like 3.5 weeks ago, roughly. And then I got like these four right here. Ooh, what's this? Actually, I do have a new question here. Do I have something? Okay, I don't have this one quite yet. I think this is something I'm going to have to do when I go into the grocery store. I got this one earlier. So this one looks like it's something I can do down the road when I go to a grocery store. But most of the time, all of these surveys will, they only last about 5 minutes before all the spots are taken. And also, they only give you, one every like couple weeks or something like that on average. However, they give you 25 cents per question, which is great. As far as referral payment, though, if I go to referral payment under extra credit, you go to referral, and you see here, they only give you about 25 cents per referral. So, considering how much they give you a question, though, that's kind of understandable in my opinion. So the pros and cons of this are that the pros, 25 cents a question, which is an insane per question rate. Let's be real about that. I mean, you're not even going to get that from MTurk or Prolific. Simple, easy to understand, and, no frills app, really nice, and it's low on space as well. And it pays to PayPal directly. I mean, I don't think I have another app that actually does that. The cons are surveys are extremely sparse. Once every 2 weeks on average is what I've been getting, sometimes even longer. And you have to get that survey quick. You have to get it within 5 minutes, and the referral pay, not great. Overall rating is a solid yellow. They are legitimate, and I love the insane per question payout rate, but they just don't have enough surveys for me to give them any higher of a rating. I only make at most around $3 to $5 a month doing this, and if I managed to get every question, I still wouldn't be making more than $7 to $8 a month. But like PaidViewpoint, OneQ is one of those apps that is meant to be on the side. It's not meant to take up more than 10 to 15 minutes of your life every month, and honestly, that's okay. But if you're looking for Benjamin or Swagbucks level cash, you ain't gonna find it here. And that's it, everyone. PaidViewpoint and OneQ will also become a permanent fixture of my wall of referral links you can see in the description below, as well as on my pinned comment here. Go check it out. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like this video by liking it as well. Comment some other survey sites you like to use, and don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine. I will see you all next time. Bye, everyone.